Hey guys, welcome back to DCTC. This is Amy Jo. Today we're gonna have lots of fun with some Play-Doh and surprise toy eggs. The first thing that we're gonna do is open this little Play-Doh bucket. This is the Fun with Numbers Play-Doh set. So let's see what we have in here. Looks like we have some little tubs of Play-Doh, and then we have some number stamps. What's this? I bet it's a little Play-Doh mat. Oh, cool. I was just looking through all of the things that come with our set. So we have all these little stamps, and it's supposed to be 0 through 9, but look what happened. We got 2 6s and a 9, and we didn't get a number 8. Oh no. Let's talk a little bit about this mat that came with it. This is to help us learn how to count. So right here we have 3 cookies, 1, 2, 3. We can put the number 3 right here. We have 2 flowers, 1, 2. We can put the number 2 right here. 3 cookies plus 2 flowers. Let's add that up and see how many it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's use some pink Play-Doh to do some counting. We're going to make 3 balls of pink Play-Doh. 1, 2, 3. Just like our 3 cookies. 1, 2, 3. Now we can use our number 3 stamper to make the number 3. And there's our number 3. Now we'll put it right here with our 3 cookies and our 3 pink balls of Play-Doh. Next, we're gonna take 2 more little balls of Play-Doh and place them on our flowers. 1, 2. And we'll use our number 2 stamper to make the number 2. Here is the number 2. 1, 2, 2. Now let's make 5 pink balls to put on top of the apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is what a number 5 looks like. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 3 pink balls plus 2 pink balls equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's the number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 balls plus 2 more balls equal 5. Let's use some toys to practice counting. This is Joey. Whoa! Joey loves to skateboard. This is 1 toy. Let's make a number 1. Here's our number 1 stamper. And this is what the number 1 looks like. 1. Here is 1 pony. And here is 1 football player. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Now let's make the number 2. Here's a number 2. 2. Here are 3 toys. We have a Shopkins, we have a car, and we have a pirate. 1, 2, 3. 3 toys. Now let's make the number 3. One, 2, 3. 3. 3. Now we have 4 toys. 1 helicopter, 1 pony, 1 fairy, and 1 Shopkins. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is what the number 4 looks like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Next, let's talk about these eggs. I put surprises inside each of them, and we are going to put a number on the outside that corresponds with the number of toys on the inside. This egg has 1 toy inside. Here's our egg covered with red Play-Doh, and here is a green number 1 because there's 1 toy inside this surprise egg. Here's our next egg. This has 2 surprises inside. Let's cover it with Play-Doh and put a number 2 on it. Here's our second egg with a number 2 on it. Our third egg has 3 toys inside. Now we'll put our number 3 on it. There. Here's our fourth egg. Can you guess how many surprises are inside? That's right, 4. There's our number 4. And now our last egg. Do you want to guess how many surprises are in this? 5. And here is a yellow number 5 for our last Play-Doh surprise egg. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed this video, and guess what? If you guys want to see me open these Play-Doh surprise eggs, you can click on the like button to let me know, and I'll do a video of that, okay? And since we've been talking about numbers, I would love it if you would leave me a comment and tell me how old you are. For more fun videos like this, check out the rest of our channel, and if you haven't, I hope you'll subscribe. This is Amy Jo with DCTC. Thanks for watching!
Another video, that's the end.
Come back soon or we'll miss you, friend.
DCTC. We do toy reviews. DCTC.
And we play with Play-Doh too.
Skits, pranks, eggs and toys.
We make videos for girls and boys.
That's right.